move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Weber County in northern Utah, southern Cache County in northern Utah, east central Box Elder County in northern Utah, southern Ridge County in northern Utah, Salt Lake County in northern Utah, Davis County in northern Utah, Morgan County in northern Utah, northwestern Summit County in northern Utah, northeastern Tuella County in northern Utah, until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles east of Hiram to Farmington to 7 miles southeast of Skull Valley, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters reported wind gusts to 73 miles per hour with widespread property damage. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Sandy, Ogden, Layton, Murray, Bountiful, Tuella, Farmington, Brigham City, Park City, Morgan, Cooville, Randolph, Hill Air Force Base, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Jordan, and Lehigh. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 285 and 362. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 119. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 76 and 196. Bus Route 40 between mile markers 0 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are produced